In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timesheets in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to refine your skills, this guide should help you navigate the timesheets feature with ease. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. First, open your web browser and head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email and password into the appropriate fields. After you've double checked to ensure everything's been correctly entered, click on the login button to enter your account. Once you're inside the Xero dashboard, your next step is to find and click on the payroll tab. This will lead you to various payroll functions available within Xero. Among these options, search for and select the timesheets section. This is where you'll manage all the timesheet entries for your employees. To begin adding timesheets, click on the plus add timesheet button. Here you'll be prompted to select an employee from your list. Be careful to choose the correct person you want to create a timesheet for, as any mismatch could lead to payroll errors later on. After selecting the employee, you'll need to choose the timesheet period. This is typically set on a weekly basis, but you can adjust it according to your business needs. Make sure the period selected accurately reflects the days the employee has worked to ensure precise payroll computations. Once you have selected the requisite details, don't forget to click on Save to preserve your progress. Now let's move on to filling out the timesheet. Click on the Add Earnings Rate option to define how the hours worked will be compensated. You might choose different rates based on regular work hours or overtime, so it's crucial to select the correct rate that applies. Next, add a category if your payroll system uses different categories for varying types of work or projects. This categorization can help in organizing your payroll reports more effectively. In the next section, you'll enter the actual hours worked by the employee. Be meticulous in entering the hours for each day of the week and ensure no errors are made during this step. If the employee worked overtime, click on plus add another line to account for those additional hours separately. Again, enter the hours with attention to accuracy. When all the details have been input correctly, the final step is to click on Approve to signify that you've reviewed and agreed with the timesheet entries. Finally, click Close to exit and save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the timesheets feature in Xero. This tool is invaluable for keeping track of employee hours and managing payroll efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to keep an eye out for more tips related to Xero in our future videos.